was rough. Hope she's okay. Crazy. Giggling to myself. That's it. We're going home. Better luck next time.
It's been a rough week. Mavic Man's been out sick. I've been flying solo. I am rough on my stuff when I'm flying solo. I just don't care. I'm lonely. Now Artie's paying the price. Artie's got a face full of grass and a prop full of mud.
I'll take care of here in just a moment.
I've been trying to find something peaceful. Something therapeutic. So what do? Go find a new hole to dive. It's close to the ground. Not a lot of time to make a decision. But a crash you can walk away from or fly away from. You don't have to count. Day 2. I was ready to go. I practiced up good. Straight in, straight down.
Alright, day 3. Working on my dive at the library. Whew. Got it once, wasn't pretty. Just keep working on it here.
Piece of cake, baby. Piece of cake.
Yeah! Wow! My heart is way up in my throat. Here we go. Oh yeah. Piece of cake that time. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dang, that branch is crowding me. Bring the tree trimmer out of me. Quit crowding me. Photoshop. Well, that sucked. Hey, I landed right side up. Woo.